spot that he wants to show me, and he's super fucking pumped about it. So we're gonna go over there and see what the fuck it is. I'm nervous. He hasn't even seen the STI yet. It's about to be lit. Alright, I'll see you then. I don't even know what he got. I'm so nervous. Boom, pow. Ooh. If it's a truck, I'm gonna be pissed. I think he might be just fucking with me, to be honest. Unless it's in the back. Oh shit, I think it's in the back. Yo, what is up, my dude?
What's up, dude? This is awesome.
You like it?
You want to take me for a ride?
After you show me your car, are you fucking with me?
Alright, you ready for it? Dude, it's sick.
Are you fucking with me?
It's cool. No, it's right here. Look.
I know, dude. I didn't see it in the... Wait. Show that key real quick. I don't know, dude.
Does it say it? Yeah, accurate.
Oh,
Guess
dude.
what? Accurate.
So, if it's an RSX, I'm gonna love you, dude.
It's older. It's a 91.
Oh, so it's an Integra.
Ooh, you got it.
No way, dude.
B1881.
Look at all these Harleys. Mad pimpin'. Oh, Tyler.
Dude, it's awesome. I love it. I drove it most of the way back. The clutch went out before I got loaded back.
Dude.
Check
Dude.
this out.
We're JDM brothers.
I know, right?
It needs some work,
Now that I have
but...
a daily and I have a car that I can work on, I'm so happy. Oh, yeah.
How much you pick it up for?
$400.
No, you're fucking with me.
Oh!
Oh!
Check out the exhaust.
No shit, dude. That stinks, though. Ooh. Oh! V-Tech, yo. Stinks like ass.
No, it doesn't have VTEC.
Oh, it doesn't? I mean, I've been out of the Honda
This
game.
was like right as there, I think. Coming
Dude,
out.
who cares, dude? This thing's
Yeah.
sick, dude. You
Dude,
got a lot of
I'm gonna
exhaust
pull the
leaks.
entire-
You got some exhaust leaks, though.
Oh yeah, actually, it's not even coming out of that pipe.
Oh,
right
it's
there.
not?
Pretty much straight pipe that ends like. There's a huge. Yeah, you can see the huge ass hole right here.
I don't know if it'll pick it up. But,
But yeah, like right there, it's like a huge asshole.
oh my god. Okay, let's be honest. Which one's faster right now? This or
Or
your
my
Ultima?
Nissan? Oh,
This.
this thing kicks its ass. We actually raced.
No, wait.
Oh
Who-
yeah.
Who raced?
Oh yeah, because my brother had to drive that back. Oh yeah,
Okay.
this thing kicked its ass. Even in 4th gear, at like 3,000 RPM, this thing just took off.
Alright, you want to take a ride in the sty?
Yeah, let's do it.
Look at that JDM beauty. The only thing I'll change is the freaking wheels, dude. There's like
I was actually
discount
about to say
tire
that.
wheels.
Yeah, I don't like the wheels.
Yeah, but
I don't like
keeps
how
them.
flat they are. They make it look
Yeah. I'm not really a big fan of deep dish, but like that would look pretty dope.
like everything else.
About to take Tyler in the sty. Hopefully he likes it. With his fucking basketball short looking ass. What are you about to do, Tyler? You want to take a ride?
Yeah.
I don't know if you're, because you're used to the ST and they're like pretty similar.
Oh, does it got a clutch in it? Like a different one?
Yeah, it's got a comp too.
I was gonna say I can feel it. Oh my god, dude. I like this way better.
Dude, it's sick.
This is fucking
There's a
awesome.
reason why Utah is flooded with these because they're fucking tight. Dude.
Yeah.
Fucking tight.
Yeah, I'm just so happy that I have 2 cars.
Dude, I'm
Oh.
happy for you. That shit's sick. I was
Like-
hoping it wouldn't be some fucking junk pile 240.
Yeah.
That would be sick. But
Yeah, like with the Supra or like a 240, it'd be like, or not a 240, but the way it was with the Supra, it's like, dude, this is the car that I don't have another car, and this thing doesn't even have an engine in it. I love the sounds.
you know,
Like, I know what Subi sound like.
you
but
want to
it's-
shoot a fucking backfire?
Oh, this is my first time ever even being in an Impreza before, actually.
No way.
Yeah, ever even.
This is a-
I've never even been in an Impreza. Like any kind of Impreza.
Let's see. I don't know if my 2-step works. Nice.
Dude, like the kid is like, they're all gonna like go out of the back of the bus and look.
Dude, this fucking kid called me a racer, dude. I was going through the
For
fucking...
having an STI.
when kids don't know about cars, if your car's loud and has a wing on it, you're a racer. I was going through a neighborhood and these kids got off the bus and they're like, hey! I was like, I thought he was calling someone. He was like, hey, racer! I was like, what the fuck? What kind of bullshit?
Dude, I was turning left at my neighborhood right there to go into my neighborhood.
Some blonde looking fuckboy with the shirt down to his fucking knees.
But there's these kids on the side of the road, or there's one on the median, like in that median right there, right next
Yeah.
to my house. He's like sitting on the median with a scooter, and there's another kid across the street, and this Jeep goes by, and it's one of those newer ones that look like the Durangos, and he's like, dude, I think it might have the SRT8 motor in it. And it passes, and he looks at the back, and he's like, dude, it does. And I was like, oh my fucking god.
It cracks me up. Like,
SRT8.
This light is so long.
Dude, I was watching. I still have all that footage of when we went to the skate park with Brian and saw his truck.
Oh yeah, you do.
And I was like, you're like 1 liter away from a Hemi. Bye, kids. Have fun at school. Holy! That thing almost hit us, dude.
I just can't wait for a winter, dude. Like, I can, but I can't. Come in the diesel.
So fun.
So we just saw
I'm done because he's going that way though.
And he zoomed past us with his artificial pop-pops and
Artificial pop-pops.
And
I didn't record it though.
We were zooming through the canyon, dude.
Yeah. Oh, he stopped. He's on the side of.
Oh, he's waiting on us. Oh, he just wanted to show off.
Oh, he's just taking a while.
Oh, that little artificial pop-pop. That's so sick, dude.
That thing sounds amazing.
Yeah, sounds good. I love that color, dude.
Yeah, me too. I like the blue ones.
The nitrous blue?
Yeah, I like the nitrous blue. Oh, I didn't know we ever got a green arrow. Yeah, that was loud as hell.
Alright, so we just stopped at AutoZone because Tyler had left his headphones. Yeah. And he got some. What did you get, Tyler?
Some 1/4 to 5/8 hose clamps.
Hose clamps. Alright, we're going to the skate park now.
If you own an Acura Integra, you gotta have boxes of hose clamps.
Or zip ties.
Yeah, that too. And
that's more of a 240 though. Alright, we'll see you at the skate park.
Pulling up to the skate park. Just pulling up to the morning in the skate park.
It's not the morning, bro. Gotta back her up, not used to not having a fucking camera in. Wow! Douche! Let's go skateboard. Ah! I need to ollie at first, dude. That's actually kind of big. Oh my god, dude, that looks so fucking scary. Do it.
The taste of dick.
What?
Dick is life.
Yeah, what the fuck? Whose kids is this?
Do you like dick?
Yeah,
I
that's
love
it.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly.
Ooh. Damn, Tyler.
Nah, I for sure thought he knows it.
Shit, yeah, it sounds stale.
Yeah, stick that shit right out.
Oh shit!
Damn it, dude, that was so
I
close.
like hot.
Does that count? I don't know. Should I do it again? No, that was good.
That was
Fuck
fucking
yeah.
gangster.
Hey guys, so I'm just now realizing we did not film an outro, so yeah, I really don't know what's up with that kid and dicks, but if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and leave some comments of what we should do next. Thanks for watching.
I can eat rolling peas, why? Everybody notice me, yeah.